We've all been there, struggling to find yesterday's recipe or feeling that sharp spike of panic handing an unlocked phone to a friend. These moments happen because your iPhone automatically logs every website you visit. It creates a chronological digital diary deep inside iOS 26. When managed correctly, this log is a powerful tool for retracing your steps. If ignored, it becomes a permanent record of your private browsing habits. The entry point for this diary is found right in the Safari toolbar. Look for the icon that looks like a small, open book. Navigating this book is the first step towards revisiting your favorite sites, while keeping your private life private. To open your history, tap that book icon, and then select the clock tab at the top of the panel. Your past visits appear here, organized by time. Safari automatically groups your activity into sections for today, yesterday, and previous weeks. If you are looking for something specific, you can avoid scrolling by using the search feature. Just tap the address bar at the top of Safari and type a keyword to see matching results from your history. If you have iCloud Sync turned on, this list is even more comprehensive. It seamlessly pulls in the websites you visited on your Mac or iPad, so you can find them here on your iPhone. Using these chronological lists and search tools allows you to find any lost web page in a matter of seconds. Part of managing a digital diary is knowing when to remove things you no longer need, like sensitive searches or surprise gift ideas. To erase a single entry, find the website in your list and swipe it to the left. Tap the red Delete button, and that specific record is gone. For a total reset, you can use the Settings menu. Open your iPhone settings, navigate to Safari, and select Clear History and Website Data. Be aware that this removes every record of your browsing, along with the cookies that keep you logged in to websites. There is no way to undo this once you confirm the choice. Whether you are pruning a few entries or clearing the whole list, you have full editorial control over your digital footprint. You can also choose to browse without leaving a record at all by using private browsing. Think of this as writing your history in invisible ink. Any tabs you open in this mode are kept separate. Once you click them, Safari leaves no trace of those websites in your history log. In iOS 26, these tabs physically lock when you look away. Safari requires your Face ID before revealing your active private tabs. Remember that this privacy is local. While the history isn't saved on your phone, your internet service provider and network administrators can still see the data traveling through their systems. Private browsing keeps your activity hidden from friends or family who might use your phone, even though your data remains visible to the networks you connect to. People often wonder if deleted Safari history can be secretly recovered later on the same device. On iOS 26, once that history is deleted, it is permanently gone. The only way to see it again would be to restore the entire phone from a full iCloud backup made before the deletion. You now know how to view your timeline, how to erase specific footprints, and how to use private mode for local security. You can test this right now. Open Safari, tap the book icon, and swipe left on a single entry to practice managing your history. With these steps mastered, you have the final say over every page saved in your digital history.